Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash. We have been building skids like crazy. Got another one there in the back. Got another one out the door there I'm going to show you that's ready for delivery. That one is for Kris up in Seattle. Let's take a look at this thing. All right, this is an 8-foot skid. We're going to start here on the side. We got 4 electric Titan reels. We got an 18 there for Softwash, and then another 18 there for the high pressure. And then going on over here, we have a 12-inch reel, and these are double stacked with the stainless steel stacking kit. We got the 100-foot 3/4 Flexilla. And then up here we have, this is for window cleaning. This is 3/8 Tucker hose. And then we have another 100 feet of the 5/16. So 150 of the 3/8 and then 100 of the 5/16. Pardon the wind. If you hear the wind in the background, it is of course a beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest. We have had rain, hail, sun, everything today. Got the FlowPro right here. This is all nicely mounted here, and then it shoots straight up. We got a little uniseal here where all of our wiring and our downstream hose goes down into. If you look at the wire's all neatly ran. You can see the wiring. This is 8 gauge, an American made wire that we use here on this thing. Going on over to the back here, got the 11-gallon aluminum gas tank, got the Tucker window cleaning system. This is actually going to pull water out of the buffer tanks and then run them through the filtration system and then out to that hose reel I just showed you. We got the Honda 690. This is a 10-gallon a minute machine here. Got the K7 unloader block mounted. This is a gear drive machine. Going on over here, we have the Midwest mixer. Let me open this up and show you here. You got your water, soap, chemical, and then neatly on the back here, let's see if I can get a shot of that. You can see that there's a 7-gallon Remco 100 PSI pump back there. Shut this here. 7-gallon soap tank. These are heavy duty aluminum boxes, not some of those cheap junk ones. You can see in here we have a marine grade battery. All the wiring's coming up through here. Let's see if I can get a closer shot here. Got the circuit breaker in there. Got a couple goodies here for Kris. Let's see if I can get a shot under the skid here so you can see how we ran some of this wiring. Let's see. So if you look at that, everything's neatly ran, even through the support beam there. Everything just ties in perfectly. Get back up here. This is a 3-way rinse valve. That's so you can run water through your bleach valves on the mixer. Everything's plumbed with uniseals. Less possibilities of things to break when it's straight through. Don't have a lot of extra bulkheads and fittings in there that can crack. This right here is a nice little setup. This is our downstream injector rinse valve. Get in a little bit closer there. You can see that's all ran real nice. It comes up through there, then drops into the bleach tank and the water tank. Circle back over here one more time, and then I'm going to show you the surface cleaner, or the surface cleaner rack. So this is all set up. Put your own padlock or something on there. So this is a locking surface cleaner tray. You can see we have a brand new Whisper Wash. If you're going to run a surface cleaner with these machines, this is what we prefer. Pulling it out here so you can get a picture of that. It's a 19-inch classic. Try to do this one-handed. I'm gonna put this thing away here. Slides in there perfect. And then up in the front there, you have about a 16-inch, I believe, storage area where you can put extra hose, garden hose, whatever you want to put in there, tools. And that's it. It's a fully outfitted 8-foot aluminum skid built right here in Oregon City, Oregon. If you guys are looking for one of these, you can email me at tim@expertpowerwash.com. You can call 503-730-2389. If you guys have any questions about this or want to know pricing, message me. I'll get back to you guys as quickly as possible. Hope you guys are all having a great season, and I'll see you in another video.